Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia app game can't be optimized. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In here you just need to find Nvidia app. Just right click on it and select end task. After doing it, just close stuff here. And now go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. In here find Nvidia Corporation folder. Just double click on it. Double click on the Nvidia app folder. Now right click on the self cache. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here. And now restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is to uninstall and reinstall Nvidia app. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller and select the download option. Select the zip file and download it. This program will help you to delete the leftover files guys. Select this show in folder option. Double click on the downloaded file. Double click on the Geek application. Select yes. Type here Nvidia app. Just right click on it and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, it will scan for leftover files. After getting done, you just need to select the delete files option to delete all the leftover files. After done, you just need to close stuff here and open up Chrome, search Nvidia app, select the first site and select the download now option and download it. After the download done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.